Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Bitfarms-Ltd. Bitfarms-Ltd is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels. Today, the stock has dropped by 0.8% and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor is intact, while short and medium-term pressure persists. Mid-term resistance is clustered near 3.07. Between the midterm and long-term objectives, there is an additional point resistance band to watch near 4.67. After reaching the measured objective and its extensions, price is now in a corrective pullback. If buyers defend this retracement area, the potential recovery path is $4.85, long-term target. Then $6.14, 1.618 extension. Then $8.22, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in an early build phase, with 2 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, EMA 200 reclaimed, and prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed still pending. Based on the length of the prior impulse, an estimated completion window ranges from about 70 to 130 sessions, which is roughly 20.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near approximately $2.38 on a decisive daily close below that level. A rising trendline is still acting as support near $0.92. There is a recent upward gap between $2.25 and $2.36 that has not been filled yet. This area marks a zone of strong support. If price pulls back to close this gap, it could temporarily drop by around 12.8% before any potential rebound. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between September 09 and September 29, the price saw a turnover of around 77.4%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. The price is trading below the 78% 3.28 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 3.99 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 7.75, Fib 1.27, and then 9.21, Fib 1.62. Looking at Bitfarms-Ltd today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 32.7, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $3.070. If price manages to close above $3.070 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $2.380, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $4.847, long-term target. $6.137, 1.618 extension, $8.224, 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $2.660, support near $2.550, a midterm target around $3.070. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Bitfarms-Ltd. The most recent headline is, "Can BITF stock outperform in 2025 bull market? Weekly profit recap and pattern-based trade signal system." Cantor Fitzgerald keeps their buy rating on Bitfarms BITF, the Globe and Mail 9 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Bitfarms-Ltd. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for